Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very pleased to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home garden tips. Hi, I'm Danielle Cook. Strawberries, they're such a great berry and easy to use in so many ways. Have you ever tried making them into crostini? You know, those little rounds of bread with yummy stuff on them? That's what we're going to do today. After we have a snack, we'll visit the other cook sister, Adrienne, who's got a garden full of garlic to check on. So let's get cooking. I'll start by hulling and cutting up my strawberries. Hulling means removing the stem and the core of the strawberry, not just cutting the bottom off. With a sharp paring knife, I'll remove just the little core of each strawberry. Check for other blemishes and remove them too. I'll cut the strawberries very small since the pieces need to fit nicely on each slice of bread. Taste the strawberries for their sweetness and add a little sugar as needed. Mix the sugar in well with the strawberries and set the bowl aside to marinate. To make a balsamic syrup, I'll simmer the vinegar on low heat in a small saucepan, swirling the pan occasionally until the vinegar is reduced by about half and it's slightly thickened. There are many very good store-bought balsamic glazes that you can buy in substitution of this step. In a matter of minutes, however, you can see the vinegar has thickened nicely, so we'll set it aside to cool. The next step is to slice up and toast our rounds of bread. In a small bowl, combine butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and cinnamon. Mix in the butter until it's all well incorporated and set aside. Now the bread goes under the broiler, so watch it closely. Once it's nicely browned on one side, remove the pan from the oven. Turn the bread rounds over and smear each one with a nice dollop of the cinnamon sugar butter. The bread goes back in the oven. Toast the slices until the cinnamon sugar butter is nicely melted and bubbling and brown. The balsamic syrup has cooled completely and it's nice and thick. Time to assemble the crostini. With the cinnamon sugar side up, I'll add a dollop of ricotta. Then spoon a heaping teaspoon of strawberries on top. I'll garnish with some thinly sliced basil leaves and a nice drizzle of the balsamic syrup. These crostini are such a treat. Serve them as an appetizer or as a dessert. And now, let's see how Adrienne's garden garlic is growing.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. I am so excited today. I've been waiting since last October when I put in my garlic cloves to do what we're going to do today. So let's get going. Look at these alliums. First, we have leeks, which I planted as seedlings in April. Behind the leeks is my 2 rows of garlic. They were planted from garlic cloves about a month apart last fall. This stage is called green garlic or spring garlic, and it's quite the delicacy. Green garlic has a grassy, sweeter flavor than regular garlic. I'm dying to see how these are coming along. These bulbs are a nice size considering that they're still immature. The mature bulbs won't be ready to pull until late June and early July. While I wait, I'll get to enjoy a little bit of spring garlic. Thanks for being with me in the garden today. Come back next week when we're going to be exploring the connection between cilantro and coriander.